What's up YouTube? Carl here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers and tech. And for this episode, I am excited to bring you my review of the NIKE Air Max Deluxe. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are in the middle of a giveaway. We are giving away a Nike Legend React, Hyper Laces, as well as REMS cleaning solutions because we've hit the 20,000 subscriber mark. To join, you have to subscribe to the channel, you have to follow me on Instagram, and you have to click the link down below so you can leave a comment to the video where I will be drawing the winners from. Subscribe, follow on Instagram, click link down below, and join. The Air Max Deluxe came out sometime in 1999 or 1998 or year 2000, turn of the century. And it was actually overshadowed because that was the time when more Jordans were coming out, a lot of different sneakers from Nike were coming, and this isn't something that really caught fire or caught attention back then. But as with anything sneakers and fashion these days, the old is new, the old is cool, the old is fire. And that's why this sneaker came out of the Nike Vault, and it's now available here in the Philippines via Commonwealth. In this review, I'll focus on two key points about the sneaker. The first one is that this shoe is a certified neck breaker and eye magnet and attention grabber. Why do I say that? Because of the colorway and the pattern that you guys have in it. The mix of the white and the blue and the orange plus the wave effect that you have on the medial side as well as those dash lines on the lateral side give it so much pop and so much personality compared to a lot of other muted and subtle sneakers. Now, if you take a look at the materials, they used mostly neoprene for the upper with a mix of like, I don't know if it's like some sort of plastic or a different kind of leather that they used here, which stretches near the laces as well as accents towards the middle part of the sneaker going to the toe guard up here. You have also that like hard some sort of material. I'm pretty sure this isn't leather, but it's a different kind of material as well as here at the back of the sneaker. It reminds me a lot of Sean Wotherspoon, the guy who made the Air Max 97-1, one of my favorite sneakers. It's a grail piece in my opinion. That was the one that's made out of corduroy. And that's the reason why I think he even made it a point to buy this one when it came out. If you check his Instagram, if you follow him, you should have known that he was actually here in the Philippines and he was actually rocking a pair of this when he was going around, I think Japan or in Australia, I can't remember. But yeah, this one is right up his alley and it's right up his design, like philosophy and spirit of just being fun and vibrant. Well, this sneaker is a neck breaker and an attention grabber because of the colorway and the style. One of the great things about it is that it just emits good vibes. So it's not your typical muted color pair, it's not your serious sneaker, it's not your basketball sneaker. It was made and designed and created to be fun. Number two, it is hella comfortable mainly because of the Air Max 97 Air unit that you guys have here in the midsole. Now granted, it's not as comfortable as React, it's not as comfortable as the Ultra Boost. What you get is the right balance of cushioning and stability, both of which are key to be able to give you a good, stride when you are walking with this sneaker. So again, Air Max 97 Air unit for the midsole. It also provides excellent traction thanks to the rubber outsole, which by the way, wasn't spared from the design of the fun vibes. You have the orange interspersed with black, as well as the Nike swoosh logo over here. Sneakers like this are polarizing. You either love them or you hate them. For me, if you ask me, I love it. I love the creativity. I love the artistry of the design. I love the fun colors. I love how light it is, how casual it is, how it emits good vibes, it's just an all-around fun, good-spirited, loud pair of sneakers. And that's, I think, why I love this pair so much. It connected to me that way. Now, the good thing is, if it talks to you the same way, then go get it. If you have the chance, if you have the budget, if you have the opportunity to be able to pick one up, go ahead and get one. You can get it at true to size, available at Commonwealth, though I'm not sure if they still have stocks because they just got limited quantities of this one. But let's say you don't like it, then pass. No pressure, no need for you to buy because I'm sure the great thing about sneakers is that there's definitely one out there for you depending on whatever it is that you are looking for. As for this sneaker, the Air Max Deluxe, it's for people who who are really looking for a pair of sneakers that are fun, casual, loud, and creative. Quick shout out to the guys over at Commonwealth. I love the fact that you guys are bringing sneakers, bringing heat like this to the Philippines. Please keep bringing in more sneakers. I hope you guys have more branches to come in the coming years. I wish you guys all the success so you can continue bringing great products like this one to all the Filipinos. And that's actually it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure that you follow me on Instagram so that you can be part of the giveaway that I mentioned earlier. I hope you're all having a great week. Peace. God bless.